Samamba mfethu yabona today ngifuna sikhulumela about ushebe leshita. Ngithola but today mfethu khona ngifuna ukufundisana about the situation kaShebe. You understand? Yabona into mawusenayo you don't feel like uyayidinga because unayo awuyiboni value yayo anamina ayiphathi grand but mase ingekho khana ubona ukuthi yazini into kanje ngiyayidinga and into kanje ibaleka ngana le life inami. You understand? Ushebe ngesikhathi ngengaphandle meke ziphatha reckless angithi uthanda bebeka msukela abantu bebemsukela but naye meke banika into yokuthi aba entertain abantu basemhlabeni bazohlezi bekusukela but kuphuma ukuthi wena uziphatha kanjani individually. You understand? Ushebe umele be responsible for impilo yakhe. Ngabe namhlanje akekho la ekhona, ngabe namhlanje akaphila nendlela aphila ngayo. You understand? It's very sad uzobona enye indoda ikhala. Ayibona into le. Khane realize ukuthi azini kahle life yakhe sekemoshile ichance meketholile. And abantu abaningi bazomkhulumela bathi ha ushebe this ushebe that. Ushebe sonke siyamthanda. Akekho umuntu ozonda ushebe guys. Kodwa ushebe umele afunde ngalendlela afunda ngayo today. Yabo uzuqamba manga futhi ke ecourt ke athi bamncishe i-treatment somelapho wenza isijalo enyawo. Babuza ke labo nesi laba basejele laba wachaza la sisi ukuthi cha ayikho leyo nto leyo.
Mari uyaleka tlhaloso e file hore ke tshepedišo e latelwa ge motho ana le sello sa wa matša maphelo a na o ya ka tsebo ya gago ba ka kgatišwa lena ka kwa kgolego o na le sello goba kgopelo ye e tlišitšweo ke mo dira kgopelo yo a be mo pela foro mabapi le go nyaka tlhapodišo ya wa matša maphelo a re aowa go ya ka kgatišo ya rena a gona sello ba kgopelo ya mphutong.
So the register does not reflect that?
Yes.
Ba re o ra gore registera e we a e bontšhe selo sa wa mana le sello mabapi le go nyaka tlhapodišo ya tša maphelo go tšwa go modira kgopelo a re a e bontšhe.
Is it possible that some complaints may be made and they are not recorded?
It's highly unlikely because the complaints are taken daily, every day in the morning and the afternoon, where the inmates will be attended to. And given the fact that we continuously audit those registers, we make sure that every complaint is attended to as per record. And
Ushebe azange afike umuntu okhala ngento ukuthi manje uyagula or khona medication esimvimbe yona. Uyayibona ukuthi manje into lesimfaka more enkingeni because udesperate for ukuphuma manje because uyabona ukuthi manje into azenzile amacala kawenzile manje amlandelela. And guys, whatever yenza ebomini izokulandelela. Yonke into yenza izokulandelela. As abantu masifundeni ba responsible about impilo zethu. Siyekeni ukufuna ukwenza izinto kusasa mase zisilandelela sibese sikhale sesifuna ama shortcut. No, ayisebenzi kanjalo. Yonke into beke yenza esikhathi outside ezibonathi iboss ezibona thina ngathinteki usikara ngathinteki. Akekho umuntu ongathinteki emhlabeni guys. Akekho umuntu ongabambeki emhlabeni. That is why it's very important as a human being ube responsible for izenzo zakho. So today ushebe sekayakhala today ula ekhona because of izenzo zakhe and abantu bebemkhuza and abantu bem-advise even nasegemini abantu bebem-advise bemthanda bemkhuza kodwa engakhuzeki namhlanje sekayakhala sengathi manje ungene ngephutha lapha ejele kanti akangenanga iphutha ungene ngezenzo zakhe yena azenzile. You understand? Ukuthi ubani umenzeni bomele shena ayenze bitter than lo muntu lo because ezazi ukuthi yena uyiprize. Ushebe phela uyiprize. You understand? You can't fight stone uyigolide. Cha, istone vele usibukele nje udlula uhambe. As long as ukuthinta sikwenzele lutho because it's out. But I hope sentwele something to gqobo kisho ke manje.